To import Debank MetaMask integration, start by understanding what Debank and MetaMask are. Debank is a platform that allows users to track their cryptocurrency assets and DeFi activities in one place, while MetaMask is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that enables users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. First, go to the Debank website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the profile section, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Next, click on the Add Wallet button and select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. You will be redirected to a page that explains how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Debank. To connect your MetaMask wallet, open the MetaMask extension in your browser and click on the three dots next to the account name. Select the Connect to Site option and enter the Debank website URL. Then, confirm that you want to connect your MetaMask wallet to Debank by clicking on the Connect button. You may be asked to confirm the connection in your MetaMask extension. After connecting your MetaMask wallet, you will be redirected back to the Debank website where you can see your MetaMask wallet address and balance. You can now track your cryptocurrency assets and DeFi activities in one place. It is essential to note that when connecting your MetaMask wallet to Debank, you are not giving Debank access to your private keys or the ability to make transactions on your behalf. The connection is read-only, and Debank can only view your wallet balance and transaction history. In conclusion, importing Debank MetaMask integration is a straightforward process that allows users to track their cryptocurrency assets and DeFi activities in one place. By following these steps, users can easily connect their MetaMask wallet to Debank and start tracking their cryptocurrency portfolio.